Why are you spending time on this? You have to go see it. But you have to go.
Stop.
Take attendance at these things, you know that.
What's all this it stuff?
Why else would they call it a must-see movie, Jane? Why are you here?
Well, what are you doing here?
The examiners?
Why?
You're close.
Yeah. What about our clothes? Charles Wallace.
We haven't had any operations in that section for years.
None?
We do everything we're supposed to, we really do.
Our section's famous for it.
Yeah, it is. Hey, so where's headquarters?
You mean Central Intelligence?
Whoa, that looks pretty central.
How could you not know that? If you were examiners, you would be sent by Central Intelligence. I think they're foreigners.
Foreigners. If it finds out, you'll be in trouble.
Big trouble.
Are you?
Hey, who's asking questions here? Huh? I don't believe you're supposed to ask questions. Yeah?
Charles Wallace. What's wrong with you? We just saw some people. We think they're foreigners. They didn't even know where Central is.
Let's go.
3 of them. They went that way.
Whoa, there we go. That is the American number 20. It is stamped USA, but it's not key retaining, so it's not a military issue lock. This lock is a very, very challenging lock to pick for an American 5-pin. It does contain spools, but I can never seem to get it to fall set. I believe it's because of the tolerances of the cam in the rear and whatnot. Heavy spring applied is positive all the time. The action against the back of the plug is always engaged to the point where it barely falls, and you can hardly tell when it's picked a lot of the time. It took me a long time to get this picked, and there'll be a link in the sidebar to some photos of the refurbishing I did to this lock. It was pretty trashed when I got it, locked and trashed, and so peace as always. Until next time, have fun.